Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, I'm going to try something a little different. I've actually been trying to learn how to read topographical maps so I can try to find my own waterfall.
Right onto Miller Road.
And I've marked a couple locations on a map where, given the topography of the land, the steepness, and where a river or brook, the Brandy Brook out in Camden, crosses through, hopefully I'll get lucky.
Left onto Harmony Road.
And I will be able to find a waterfall there. So I'll do an update in a minute. Alright, so after biking for 15-20 minutes, I came to a little spur trail that came down to this little bridge I actually was not expecting to see here. And there's also the creek. I'm pretty close to where I marked on the map. This isn't exactly what I have in mind, but it might be all I have. I'll go a little bit further and see what we can find. Alright, just getting back to the car now. Unfortunately, no falls. However, I was able to find the ravine that I thought was there, which kind of widened out to a bit more of a valley. Not a whole lot of activity. Water level's pretty low, so I don't think it's worth pursuing anymore there. What's going on? Blakely and I are on our way to go to the Greenfield Brook to fly the drone over a couple spots that I noticed on the map that look like they might have some type of a waterfall. I'm not going to walk on any trails today. I'm going to let the drone do all the work, and we'll check back. This is my third time out going to look for a waterfall, and last time we flew the drone over top of the Greenfield Brook and we didn't find anything. My bike ride out in Camden, I didn't turn up anything. This time I got a couple new places that look promising. Satellite imagery looks nice and promising, and the topography looks good. So we're going to take a drive up there. Okay, so we made it to a bridge that goes over the Rutherford Brook. I'm going to try to fly the drone up and see what we see. It's been a while since we were able to do anything. We've been kind of busy. And I've been trying to find waterfalls several times. We've been out, I was out on the mountain bike, and I found a couple locations on a map. They turned up nothing. Blakely and I flew the drone over a couple rivers and brooks, and still haven't really turned up a whole lot. So this time we're just going to go to a place that is a shore bet. The Pembrook, on Pembrook Road. It's called the Burnside Community Park. There's a set of waterfalls there, so we're going to check those out. Alright, we just pulled in by the Burnside Community Park. We're going to check out the Burnside Falls. We'll update when we get there, and hopefully take some drone footage and maybe go for a little swim. So it looks like it's just a short walk to a set of stairs, and then you can hear the falls right away as soon as you enter the woods. Okay, it's a pretty steep set of stairs, but one thing I failed to mention, when you first come in, you can go to the left or right. It's kind of hard to tell at first, but you take a right, and that'll lead you through a narrow path, and then you'll see a little boardwalk and then a fairly steep staircase. It looks like it's seen better days, so just be careful.
Ooh, cool rock.
So you kind of come up a small path around the edge of the cliff, and there's the falls.
I put my footprint on that. Dude. Cool, eh?
Where'd Daddy go? Where'd Daddy go? Where's Daddy?
Alright, so we just left the Burnside Falls. It was really nice, as you can see. We got to swim and got some good footage. We stopped in at Betsy's Diner on the way home. And now that we're leaving, the food was good. Just a sec.
My belly, feel it.
Oh, goodness. So we're going to check out the Butcher Hill Falls. That was the other one that we were thinking of going to, and it's just up the street from here. Get a quick drone flyover of that, and then we're going to head home. We just came up Higgins Mill Road, and we found, we asked somebody at the restaurant how to get here, and there's a little bit of a creek or something that goes down into the woods, and we're going to follow the path down that. It looks kind of steep. Alright, we made it, and it's huge! This video doesn't even do it any justice. We're just leaving the Butcher Hill Falls now. It was huge. I strongly recommend going there. Just make sure you wear hiking boots or something, because the cliff falls apart under your feet and it's dangerous. But from the path you see just a little cascading falls at the base. When you get down there you see there's an outcrop at the top with a huge waterfall pouring out of it. It's well worth it. So and before we wrap this one up, Blakely's gonna say something.
To make it even harder, I went on my dad's back.
And that is true. So, that's it. And this was the sunset as we were leaving Butcher Hill Falls. So like always, please like and subscribe to my channel. Share on social media, Facebook, Twitter, anything that you're on. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, we'll see you later.